Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to print multiple copy on page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show print multiple copy on page. Now going to the file menu option. Then click for a print option. Now click for a pages option, then it show one page per sheet. Now click for a arrow option, then click for a multiple copy per sheet. Now for click, that is. Now click for a print option, that is. Then it show print multiple copy on page in my Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.